Imagine you're a researcher and you want to write a systematic literature review about dinosaurs. Of course, you are aware of ASReview LAB, the machine learning tool that makes systematic reviewing much faster by moving the most relevant documents up in the stack. But before screening even begins, researchers spend a great deal of their time collecting and cleaning their datasets. A search in multiple literature databases can easily contain thousands of records, and that means double trouble, as there are often many duplicates of the same article. The most common duplicates consist of different instances of exactly the same article, obtained from different databases. Or these might not be exact copies because of minor differences in punctuation, capitalization, or white spaces. The same abstract could also be published in different forms: a preprint, a conference abstract, and the final journal publication. Which one is the best version depends on the context. Sometimes the journal article is preferred. Sometimes a conference paper is the best choice. This is what we call the duplication problem. In practice, researchers try to take out the doubles before screening, which takes a lot of time. At ASReview LAB, we found a solution. Instead of removing duplicates beforehand, ASReview now also handles duplicates during screening. This is how it works. Records which are highly similar are assigned to the same group. When the researcher labels one record in that duplicate group, all other documents will be assigned the same label. This can reduce the workload dramatically, as thousands of records no longer need to be screened individually. Duplicates are not deleted. If there is ever any doubt, users can always review the duplicate groups and decide which version to include in their final dataset. The duplication puzzle needs to be solved only for the set of relevant documents. As always, when using ASReview LAB, the researcher stays in control and makes the final judgment. Try it. Download ASReview LAB today and use it for cleaning your dataset.